The doctors, they were very understanding, and they were very open to suggestion from me as well, and they planned the surgery as per my needs. And the hospitality of the other staffs was also very good. Hi, I'm Divyanshu. I had been experiencing hair fall for the past 7-8 years. Currently, I'm 21 years old. I had firstly started using Minoxidil in 2021. It stopped hair fall a little bit, but over the past 4 years, hairstyles started coming back, especially in 2024. So much so that I lost a lot of hair in the frontal region. So I thought of going for a hair transplant in December of 2024, and I looked out for a few of the clinics, and I chose Hairfree Hairgrow because of their YouTube presence, and my experience from the first consultation itself has been very good. The doctors, they were very understanding, and they were very open to suggestion from me as well, and they planned the surgery as per my needs, and the hospitality of the other staffs was also very good. Thank you, Hairfree Hairgrow, for such a wonderful time and this surgery.